Let me take you on a fascinating journey into the tiny world of atoms, the building blocks of everything around us. You know that phone in your hand, the air you're breathing, even the stars in the sky? They're all made up of these microscopic particles. At the heart of every atom, we have three main characters: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Think of them as the ultimate atomic trio, each with their own unique personality and role. Let's start with electrons. These tiny negatively charged particles are like rebellious teenagers, constantly zipping around the atom's nucleus in different energy levels or shells. They're incredibly lightweight and move at mind-boggling speeds. In fact, electrons move so fast that scientists can't even pinpoint their exact location at any given time. Now meet the protons, the positively charged particles hanging out in the nucleus. They're much heavier than electrons, about 1,136 times heavier to be exact. Protons are like the responsible adults of the atomic family, staying put in the center and giving each element its identity. The number of protons an atom has determines what element it is. For example, hydrogen has 1 proton, while gold has 79. Last but definitely not least, we have neutrons, the neutral peacekeepers of the atom. They have no electrical charge and hang out with protons in the nucleus. Neutrons are the diplomatic mediators, helping to keep the positively charged protons from repelling each other and tearing the nucleus apart. Without neutrons, most atoms as we know them wouldn't exist. What's really mind-blowing is how these three particles interact. The negative electrons are attracted to the positive protons, which keeps them orbiting around the nucleus. It's like a microscopic solar system, with electrons playing the role of planets circling around the nuclear sun. And here's something that'll blow your mind. Despite all these particles, atoms are mostly empty space. If we could enlarge an atom to the size of a football stadium, its nucleus would be smaller than a pea at the center. All those electrons would be like tiny specks of dust floating around in all that space. Understanding these fundamental particles has revolutionized our world, leading to everything from nuclear power to the electronics we use every day. It's amazing how something so incredibly small can have such an enormous impact on our lives.